the recession, the housing market in Acadiana is rebounding as the state continues to loosen coronavirus restrictions. That's according to local real estate experts. Last year was a record year for home sales, and the Realtor Association of Acadiana says even amid COVID, our area is still on track for another record year. 3 is on the street tonight. Our Chris Welty joining us live with what this means for both buyers and sellers. Chris.
Marcel, interest rates are low, so that means people have more purchase power to buy their dream home. And as far as inventory, we're told there's not enough supply to meet the demand in our market, so that means multiple offers are coming in some cases on listings. When the home order was issued in March, the real estate market took a hit. Not as many people were willing to take in-person tours, and sellers were concerned about listing amid the pandemic. With restrictions loosening, people are ready to get back in the market.
We had a bunch of pent-up demand, and what the market is showing us is that those buyers are still here. They didn't go anywhere. They just postponed everything.
Jim Cady, president of the Realtor Association of Acadiana and owner of Cady Real Estate, says overall the market is roughly down 2% compared to last year, which was a record year. In 2019, homes were on the market roughly 100 days compared to 93 days this year.
We absolutely are seeing a recovery in the housing market as far as showings, pendings, and soon to be closings in the next 30 to 45 days.
In May, 677 homes were pending, which Cady says is higher than any other month, other than September 2005 after Hurricane Katrina. Meanwhile, closed sales were down nearly 28% this year compared to last.
We did lose a few contracts, and we're going to lose some of the pendings that we have under contract now, but the government has done a really good job to protect our community so that they can buy houses. Federally backed loans are way up right now.
Lafayette resident Geraldine Seifker took a chance and listed her home amid COVID.
I think it was about 4 days, if I'm not mistaken. So we closed within a month. So the month of May was our entire pretty much selling process.
Seifker says her agent presented her with data, was upfront, and said homes in her price point were still selling.
Glad that we have such an awesome group of people in our community that are really still trying to help Lafayette navigate this time of economic hardship.
As experts keep a close eye on the economy, they realize it's important to see how oil prices will impact the energy sector.
But for right now, interest rates are low, demand is high in most price ranges.
The spring is typically the peak for home sales here in Acadiana, dipping in June and picking back up again in July and August. But Cady says the demand is still there, and if people are in the market, they need to make a move now. 3's on the street live in Lafayette. Chris Welty, KATC TV3.